Today I'm going to explain how consent works when recording in both private and public spaces. Consent is all about giving people the choice to agree or not agree to being recorded. In digital media, this is important because photos, audio, and videos can be shared instantly, which means people should understand how their image or voice will be used. In private spaces like homes, classrooms, offices, or studios, you must get permission before you record. These places come with a reasonable expectation of privacy, meaning people should never be recording without knowing. Consent can be written, verbal, or part of a release form, but it should be clear and documented, especially if the recording will be published or shared online. In public spaces, the rules are different. People generally do not have the same expectation of privacy when they're in parks, streets, or public events. Because of this, you can usually record in public without asking each person individually. However, there are important exceptions. If you are focusing on a specific person, using close-up shots, or planning to publish their image in a commercial project, like an advertisement or promotional content, you should get their consent. This is where model release comes in. It's also important to know that some areas, even if they are open to public, are still considered private property, like malls, stores, and restaurants. These places can set their own rules, and you may need permission from the owner or manager before recording. Finally, ethical recording goes beyond legal requirements. Even if filming is allowed, it's best to be respectful. If someone asks not to be recorded, the professional thing to do is honor their request. To summarize, recording in public spaces require clear permission. Recording in public spaces is usually allowed, but focusing on individual or commercial use only if it requires consent. Understanding these guidelines help ensure that our digital media work is legally, ethically, and respectful of others.